Welcome back to our channel. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Today we are at Eraida Beach. Eraida Beach is one of the best beaches in khor.I. Eraida Beach is one of the local beaches in which is about an hour drive from Doha. Beachgoers need to go a little bit off road to reach the beach that is always populated with winter camps during winter season. You can see a lot of caravans parked on the road, which people take on rent to set up a winter camp. A caravan is a trailer or a wagon with amenities like a changing room, kitchenette, beds, toilets, etc. People rent it for a couple of days for an outdoor living experience. Air-conditioned caravan has fully equipped bathroom, TV, sofa bed, small fridge, cooking hob, tea table, side tables, folding dining table, chairs, barbecue grill, beach umbrella, fire pit grill. People create beautiful beach outing memories with loved ones in a prime location, as here the place is calm and there is privacy. During winter, there are so many permanent tents across the beach. Camping is a fun activity that you can do at here, and Qatar experience is not complete without trying this at least once. We can have a perfect camping experience here, stargazing and enjoying with family and friends. We need to abide with rules. The first and foremost rule is not to litter anywhere. The rental cost of caravan is about 700 Qatar riyals per first 7 hours and Qatar riyal 1550 for 24 hours. There are other caravans like modern caravans which set and feel like mini garden and interior gives homely vibes with its pictures and lighting. It is like you are in a hotel room.